Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up an abandoned cart email in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left-hand panel and click on Marketing. Then, click on Automations. Now, select View Templates. Here, you'll see different types of email automations. Look for the one called Abandoned Cart and click on it. Shopify will now prompt you to install Shopify email if it's not already installed. Just click install and confirm again if needed. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and turn on the automation. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, you can click on Settings. Then, preview your abandoned cart email and make any edits if you'd like. After you're done previewing, go back to the pop-up and click Continue to confirm. And that's it. Your abandoned cart email is now set up and ready. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.